Alright, so I'm gonna head over to the laundromat and get some heavy washing done real quick. I'll start most of the vlog actually when Orion's with me and when we're I'll start most of the vlog when Orion is actually with me and we're going into halfway through. We have a lot of things to do today, so wow, what a bit of things to show now. So when I'm back, I'll show you the rest of the day and see what's going on. But for now, I'm going on the road. Alright guys, I'll be back.
Morning people. So I am home alone. I was supposed to be sleeping, but because Shalika wake me up, can't go out to sleep. So my mind has been on our pumpkin patch for the longest time, so I'm gonna go out there. I'm gonna bring it along so you can see what is going on. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so see the pumpkin patch. Go do that bees, yeah, man. Take away yourself no bees. Go and pollinate, sir. May I try enough to step on the pumpkin, y'all. Oh my god. It's bigger. Come bees. Move. Also the bees take up all of the pollen. Rotted. Look on the next one, people. This is the second pumpkin. I never saw this one. Like, we never see that one day. No, sir. More supposed to do about the place. Rotted soup. May I walk past one? See the next one, yeah? Jesus Christ. This is a third one. Wow, I'm nervous. Pumpkin there, enough, I'm nervous. Hi guys, so as you can see, I'm finally with Shalika. Yeah, so we come back from the laundromat after how long?
Anyways, so that's started. So now I'm going to Property to collect a week for revamping right now from one of our subscribers, my friend. Yeah, we're gonna feature up on the vlog a little bit, and then we have a lot of things to do in the halfway tree. So I contacted somebody about some candles because I love my little candle, them not gonna lie, and she said I'm very reasonable. So we're gonna go over there and look at what's available and collect what we already purchased, or make some purchase, like I say actually, and then Or gonna get me a first Christmas tree. Well, not first Christmas tree.
It is affordable. Yeah, we are gonna buy one Christmas tree, people. Watch our videos. I wish I to say to them.
Tell me say they can buy me a Christmas tree. They all affordability come in this. I'm not telling the class, Virgin.
Alright. She said it is affordable.
People feel that weird though. All upon the people them. YouTube become this me.
Which people them YouTube? How are YouTube? I'm right off YouTube. All people YouTube. Anyways, cutting out Jalika.
But anyways guys, yes, so what's on the agenda today? Let me see if I can spell it out. I'm on a collector here for revamping. We're gonna look on the candles them. Supposed to go Evergrow, buy the Christmas tree, and I think I wanted to go to Ports, and I have a sale as well to deliver back in Portmore.
Another one.
Yeah, so that's on the agenda for today.
Christmas week, though.
Yeah, man, guys, they want to go quick, but probably by the time this all upload later, it gone. I already know the festivities. You know, see, I'm going to Merry Christmas at what we're getting at the last vlog.
Yes, me not come out there every night, no. But not half of time.
Oh, you really said all YouTube I see you? Oh, you mean about the laptop for you? What do you mean about the laptop?
Better than half of them on YouTube, not in my face on the road.
Okay. If you want to think about it that way, okay.
Yeah, so we're keeping updated as we go along, people. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so I'm here with my client now and a subscriber. I'll put her Instagram link on the screen right here. So alright, so she give me a week for go revamp, guys. But for now, you know, I'm just a catch up with her from high school, guys.
You don't know?
Yeah, and our first time I meet Orion, I was actually and it's our first time actually I meet Orion, you know. So she was kind of surprised to see him. Wait, that camera? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Don't tell me give you a look of feature upon it. Because you're always there, you support women, not gonna lie.
Anyway,
I appreciate it.
Guys, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share because it needed. Yes. Anyways, and follow our Instagram page, Wig World. Yes.
Wig World? No, girl. At the Wig Factor. What is wrong with you? Over page? No, take back your wig. Take it back. Take it back.
Sorry. My apology. You can put that there, right?
No, cut out. No, it'll go right in there.
No,
it'll go right in. It not come out.
May I do another one? You can't.
I make me get around too. Go on.
Alright. And follow her Instagram page at The Wig Factor. Alright.
Yes. Alright, guys. So. And you are promoting now. Hey, you.
I don't know, like, this is one of them for Instagram.
Sure. So alright, all them pieces of something upon my own channel. Sure. So guys, I think the next place we're going over is KB to get the candles them, and then we'll tell her from there. So alright.
Bye.
Alright guys, so we'll find it. So we were trying to find the Kingston bookshop, because that's where she dropped off the candles them for us. And yeah, I'll take you inside a little bit for you to see what we're looking at, how our candle them stay on thing. Oh, that one is strong, that's my oatmeal smell it. So no really smell bad. Right now. That's an option. Alright guys, so we got the candles. We'll show you probably neither one get back in the car, or probably when we get home we'll show you what we got. But yeah, we did buy, and these should last us for a good while. Especially these are bigger than when we actually start first buying from her, so they should last a while.
They're bigger.
Yeah, these are much bigger than we bought from her first time. Yeah, that must say, so they will last us for a while. We're not gonna buy candles probably until the end of next year or even longer. So we can reach over.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! So we're on the road. We have delivered. Wait.
Yeah, so
we have picked up the wig.
I picked up the wig.
Collect the candles.
Yes, I guess we can show them the candles when we're
Home.
home. But honest, they all look the same. It's just that it's different flavors or scents, but flavor different scents.
Yes. What we are gonna?
So I wanted to go to Evergrow and then Azan's. That's where I want to go. I want to get some more pots, as you guys would have seen in a previous.
People forgive us. We're on the road.
And you know Jamaican road them guy already.
On the road again.
So yeah, so
yeah, we're going to Evergreen and then we're going to try to find Azan Super Center
as you guys would
to
have
buy
seen
our Christmas tree.
Yeah, as you guys would have seen in the previous vlog, that we have a little farming going on. So actually have some tomato seedlings we want to transplant, as well as some other seeds that we buy when you plant them.
Plant them, so we can get some February.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing over there. We're going to get the pots them, and after that now people, we're taking advantage of the Saturday. We're going to go over to the Azan, then I have the wig drop off, the delivery to actually make back in Portmore.
Yep. What time did you tell her?
I told her 2 o'clock. I had to move. It was 1 o'clock, but I saw that things were, getting out of hand. I was being held up, so I needed to push it back.
Hopefully we can find one Azan, because majority of them get locked down or buy out.
Alright, so we're there Evergrow again, and the little place ever pack up something, I understand it. So we're gonna get the little pot and probably even stay on the line while Orion go feed, because we did have this little key dilemma, it will up for time. So we're gonna go through. Sorry.
Please sanitize it.
Yeah, the same size, by 5. 5? Alright guys, so proper in a line, I forget my purse, so I'll go back first. Don't make me forget my purse. I'm in another line. I'm so sorry. Thank you. So Ori and Avi, so we don't need no more pots for now. This must can manage all our local seedlings them. Or whatever, I pop up the place. So. Alright, straight to Azan now. Whoop. So we went to Azan, and in there was miserable, bad. Like they never have no Christmas trees, so we never better stay in there, because that we really going there for. So we're in Portmore now, and we actually was walking in the mall and we found one. But I don't want one to look. Yeah, we're gonna show you guys when we go back there, if we go back there, because I don't want one to look a bit taller than what we see, but the price was reasonable, and they had some mats in there because I need one for my bedroom as well. So We're going over, I think it's Linton Mart. Yeah. And if they don't have anything better, we're going to come back for it over the mall. Because I still have to wait on my client. She not reached us yet to get the delivery. So that's what's going on now. We're just in the supermarket, Shoppers Fair. Yep. Alright guys, so we're over Linton, the place over in
Linton Mart.
Linton Mart, yeah. We're gonna look and see if they have the Christmas tree and have it for cheaper and the mats as well. If not, we are circle back to the man, get it over there some. Yeah, okay.
A proper Christmas tree.
A proper one, yes guys.
I want to put two ornaments and then he said so like it.
You know, by next year if you buy one next one, right? So want some fellas like give it at least 2-3 years, yeah? Yeah. So we're gonna look. If not, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Forward.
That one is nice, watch it, that one is feel good. Price not bad, 2.7 with the big massive. Oh yeah, this will take up the entire room side though. I wonder if we could take the dark color then. The red? I like the color you get. I have a mat like this already.
I showed you the bed already.
I have a color like this already. Alright, so what you said, that one here? That one is nice?
Yeah, this nice.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get that one. Yeah. Alright, Loki. So this is the tree that them have. I don't know how I'm gonna put on this tree also.
That look like a broomstick.
This is the tree. I feel like I'm gonna somebody with it.
But then on a Christmas tree.
And then look at these. We found some nice one at Woolworth for the same amount of money. Alright, so as you can just see, the Christmas tree we don't have, no. So we're gonna go back for the Christmas tree that we saw, originally. Yeah, so Linton, they had the nice mat. I grab it up and actually buy it, the grey one. And now we're gonna go back and get that Christmas tree. And I think we're finished for the day. After that, I made my delivery. The lady came and she was super nice. And
do a pick up and a drop.
Yeah, we'll pick up and a drop off, and then I'm just gonna go over to. No, I'll just go back over the mall and get the Christmas tree now, and I think that's it for the day. Yeah, it was a good, nice, like a hectic day, but we get what we needed to do done. Yeah.
Hectic.
Alright, guys. Traffic for kill, and we just did come run this a while ago. Alright, so see the tree them here, guys. I mean, I wanted something a bit taller than this, but I mean this is the best that we're finding right now. This one's a bit too tall. Yeah, it's too tall. It was like extreme drastic. So we're gonna just want to work with this for this Christmas. And when things get better, we'll get one next one. It's a start. It's sharp, but I wanted it to be as tall as Orion, but I guess that on a set will work.
Alright people, so we got the tree after one knee passing.
I know.
Shalika tired.
We're tired.
So we're on our way now going home. Sorry about the glare of the sun. So she's like, yeah. So yeah, we're on our way home. But so I said to people, now we got the tree.
I'm tired. Me tired. From what time? Get up from what? After 7. Go wash out the, you know, I get the things ready for Christmas, wash out the big everything's them. And to go arbitrary, to a crossroad, come back in a Portmore, drive around Portmore, look up at Mass, I'll find another map to try to find one tree. I want to find one tree in a tree another year for take a display. No, sir.
Better than nothing.
Yeah, but it's nice.
Yes, I go true.
We appreciate all who actually made it to the end. Thanks for watching us.
Bless up.
Yeah, we really appreciate your support. And you know, thanks for your thanks for your time. Yeah, because of your time this take it out for what you.
Yep. So if you have made it to the end of the video, Shalika say like, share, subscribe, leave us a comment. Well, subscribe if you're new.
Yes, please.
Subscribe.
We are, guys, I don't think we've said it, but we're going to say it now. Guys, we're on a journey to reach 1,000 subscribers. We're trying to reach that by the end of December. Boy, I don't know if we're going to make it, but we're going to have faith, so we do.
We will make it.
It's going to be a Christmas miracle.
Yep.
Or we'll say 1,000 by the end of December.
Or even
By the end of December, we have faith. If
Yeah.
you know, at them time, they would do our next journey that. But now 1,000 December, guys.
1,000.
No, we can do it.
1,000.
Yes.
respect. Thanks for watching this video, guys.
Bye.